Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing new tool deals to share with you. Some Acme tools, Lowe's, Amazon deals. Everything is going to be linked down below. Got a couple that are deal of the day, but most of the stuff will last for a little bit longer. This sale over at Acme Tools right now goes through sometime in May, so you got plenty of time to take advantage. It's Milwaukee M18 products. It's a buy more, save more, and I know it's big numbers, but if you got a big purchase to make, it's a pretty good savings for you. I mean, this one, if you spend $1,000, you get 400 off. That's 40% discount. So, for the right person, it is a really good deal. If we look here, you spend $350, get 80. Spend $600, get 180. Spend $800, get 280. Spend $1,000, get 400. Now this is going to go through May 3rd. Of course, we all know things can sell out. At those prices, you're going to get free shipping unless it's oversized or something like that. And again, it is the M18 stuff. There's a mixture of bare tools and kits in there. Your highest priced item, and it can be a collective. It doesn't have to be that amount in a single item. It just has to be all eligible items. By the way, there's no promo code involved. Once you add the items to your cart, it'll automatically make the discount. But you have the 9-inch cutoff saw with the two big boy batteries. That's a hell of a set there. So this price here is the price listed on Acme Tools website right now. And then with this promotion, we're going to take $400 off of that. So instead of $1,100, you bet about $700. So, a pretty good discount, even though it is still a very expensive item. Picked out some of the ones that are a little bit higher. So, for example, the Fuel Vacuum 12-gallon, it's $9.49. So, as it sits, you're at the one tier lower. But if you get up to $51 more in eligible products, you're going to save $400 on a $950 item. So, pretty good there. And we had a couple others that I just threw in that don't get as much of a discount, but still, like this router, $80 off. You're going to be under $300 for the fuel router. But if you go up to this banner here, it'll give you every item available in the sale. Next up, we have the 9.5-inch cable cutter high leverage wire cutters, heavy duty with thick dip grip. Boy, I love me a thick dip grip. Done that a couple of times. Handle CRV steel by Arrow. So cutting all our cables. Normally $15.99, but we have a 30% promo code. Take about $5 off. Be a little over $10 on this guy. Supposed to go through the 8th. Got a couple of days to take advantage of that. Of course, you click right there, and it copies the promo code to your account, so you're ready to go. The Arrow cutters, which, by the way, got the Amazon pricing problem figured out on the website, so things are all back to normal. Or actually, they will be in a day or two. If you remember, the log had 80,000 errors, so it's got to catch up on all of that. But it's making progress. It's working towards it. Leather hole punch tool, 8-inch, 6 multi-hole size, covers 2mm to 4.5mm, belts and dogs. Ideal for DIY projects. This is a DuraTech item. This is perfect for your belt. You on that Ozempic? You're getting the fat shot? I love when Trump calls it the fat shot. You might need a little bit smaller belt. Might need to make some new holes. You can do that with this guy right here. $13.99, 40% off, almost half off. Going to be $9 or $10 there. Again, this one's going to go through the 8th as well. The dog collar idea is pretty good too, actually. Garage tool organizer, wall mount, shed yard organization by Jivajot. So you got these little wall-mounted guys, and any rod-like object you can stick on up there. $24.99, 50% off going through this. It's only going to be $12.49. Seems like a really good deal. It says 2 feet. I'm guessing, is that 2 feet this way, or are they expecting you to have a 2 feet span? I'm not really sure, but it looks like it holds quite a few tools there. Perfect for your rakes and shovels. Your hockey sticks might fit on there. You think a hockey stick would? It's a little bit different shape. Maybe it wouldn't. Be cool, though, to hang up all the hockey sticks. I remember as a kid, we used to play roller hockey on a side street. I was like 10 or something, right? And we'd have the nets out. We're on our roller blades, and we're playing hockey. And, of course, we're blocking the street, but it's a side street. There's no traffic on this street at all, right? And anytime a car would come, we'd have to skate out, grab the nets, and bring them off to the side. And I remember one time a SUV didn't stop and just ran him over and kept going. And it was a person who lived on that street, and he was a local cop. And I'm thinking, what a prick. What a prick. That's where it all started. That's where it all started. Harris. Yeah, what a jackass. Bora Centipede 2-foot by 4-foot folding work table. These things are actually really nice. Comes with the pouch, so it folds all up to nothing. You can slap a piece of plywood or something on the top of that. You got some easy on-the-go working platform table, whatever. 1,500 pound capacity on that guy. So it's normally $130 down to $69.51. So Home Depot, it's price matching $69.51. Now it's one of those like lightning deal style things on Amazon. So I think Amazon had the price originally and Home Depot is price matching them. Not that it really matters, but you can get it at the same price either place. Northern Tools at $100 and then full blown retail over at Toolant at $130. Just keep in mind this is the 2-foot by 4-foot. They have a couple of different sizes, like a 4x8 and I don't know if they have anything else, but they have those two for sure. Really good deal here. This one you're going to want to get. The Titan 10-piece, 1/4 and 3/8 inch drive, 10mm socket set. Comes with the socket rail, all the shorties, the longies, 1/4s, 3/8s, 12-point, 6-point, you got it all. Now, the sale price is $9.28, which isn't too bad. 30% coupon. Now, here's the thing. I think the 30% may be targeted. I don't know if every Amazon account is showing the 30%. But if you do get the 30%, it's only about $6 for 10 sockets. And they're ones that like to run away on you. So you could definitely use them. And then we had to throw in the graphic for the t-shirt. Because while you're there, get yourself a t-shirt. Bigfoot stole your 10, but it's okay because you have 10 replacements of 10. I think that was on purpose to make a 10-piece of 10mm sockets. I think they wanted the onomatopoeia. Maybe it's called alliteration. I don't know what it is, but it's something like that. Like the suppository thing. Look, there's too many tories. Repository, depository, suppository. Too many, okay? I knew one of them went where the sun don't shine. Acme Tools. Milwaukee Shockwave 3/8 inch drive SAE 6-point sockets. It's a 12-piece set. Now, right now on Acme Tools, it is $49.97. Of course, it comes with the handy dandy case. You're getting the big boy sizes all the way up to 1 inch. Really like their high contrast numbers on there. I can even read it in the picture, which I normally can't do. They're going to charge you about $6 for shipping, so you'll be $55 out the door unless you end up buying something else. Maybe take advantage of that sale we looked at the beginning. Home Depot has it for $85 and Toolant also $85. So about a $30 discount if you are interested in the SAE sockets, going from 5/16 all the way up to 1 inch. Now, I did find this on my Acme Tools discount finder under the Milwaukee Tools section because you can search by brand. So if you follow that link there, you can check out other Milwaukee tools or tools by other brands if you so choose. Another Acme Tools deal, we got the Knipex Power Pliers Set. Plastic deep drawn tray. It's a 3-piece set, $76.54. Getting the pliers and diagonal cutters, little those are the cobras, right? I always get the cobras and the raptors mixed up. I believe that is a cobra. I can tell by the face of it. Looks just like a cobra. $76.54 right now on Acme Tools. Toolant sells it for $107. KC Tool $121. So almost $50 cheaper than what KC Tool will charge you for Knipex, one of the all-time favorite brands right there. And again, this was another one that I found on the same page, just under the Knipex Tools. So if you're a fan, check out the other Knipex items there. Got a Klein Tools deal over at Acme. The refrigerant gas detector. Normally $214 down to $114.99. Lowe's has it for $220. Toolant has it for $215. So a $100 discount on the Klein Tools. Again, found it on the Acme Tools discount finder tool. So make sure to use that page. And actually, since we line things up perfectly, here is that page. I will link it down below with all the other deals. And you can always find it under the Acme Tools column right here, the best Acme Tools clearance and discounts. So you can search any brand and it'll just give you a top 25 list of the most discounted items. You can select a brand, like let's say, what did we see here? We saw the Knipex. So we can go to Knipex here and then we can see, oh, there it is. There's the thing I was just showing you that we were talking about. And you can do all tools, hand tools, power tools, or accessories. Back to Amazon. Got the 19-piece impact bolt extractor kit, bolt and nut remover, socket tool kit, stripped bolt extractor by Toolant. May have seen Toolant in the past. They have those little nut driver guys that are super cool in the big case. Had a good sale on those a couple of weeks ago. So these guys, usually these little sockets have a little tapered edges, teeth kind of to them, so they can grab onto those crusted nuts and bolts and get them out for you instead of just rounding them, and then it just becomes more and more of a headache. The more you do, the worse it becomes. You end up with the torch. If it's liquid, it can't be rusted. $19.79, normally $33, so we don't have a promo code or a coupon, just a nice healthy sale price on it. It's going to be 40% off. Comes with the handy dandy case. Irwin Vise-Grip, original locking pliers. These are the long noses, 4 inches, okay? You know exactly what that feels like. $8.99, normally $21. See, Acme Tools is $12.99 plus that $6 shipping charge. Farm and Fleet, $16.99 again plus the shipping charge. So if you're a Prime member over on Amazon, you're paying $8.99. You get the free shipping for big 4 inches. In all seriousness, no, those long nose ones are super helpful to have. A lot of people just have regular locking pliers. They don't have like the long nose style, and they're pretty useful to have around. Electric cardboard cutter, 4.4 volt, cordless electric scissors, 2-piece self-sharpening blade, USB rechargeable. So I have and have had for probably over 10 years now the skill version of this exact tool, and I absolutely love it. Back in the day, selling stuff on eBay, customizing boxes every single day, have to cut them up, and blade never went dull. It does have like a little self-sharpening guide, at least on the skill one, and this one does say self-sharpening, so it probably uses the same concept. No easier way. If you're ever breaking down boxes, especially just like your Amazon purchases, to me that's always a huge pain in the ass. Having to get all the boxes in the trash can because we don't recycle, and sometimes burning just takes too long unless you can get a big old fire going. So end up trying to always cut it down, and you got to use something like this because otherwise one box takes up the whole trash can. It's like, well, what the hell? I bought like 30 things this week. I got lots of boxes to get in there. So cutting it up makes it nice and easy. Starts out at $37.99, but we have a 50% promo code. It's supposed to go through the end of February. Just click right there. We got the code all ready to go. Going to be under $20, so I really like it. I think it was like $56 or $60 for the skill one. I certainly got my money's worth out of it, but I much rather would have paid $20. Lowe's deal of the day. We have the Craftsman cordless bare tool anti-drip caulk gun. Normally $79, down to $49, which I do believe will give you free shipping at that price. Again, it's only good for February 4th. Now, I have the DeWalt version, which is pretty damn similar, and I personally really like it. It does have a variable speed dial, at least on the DeWalt one. I'm going to assume this one also is variable speed. You got to crank that thing down unless you're Speedy Gonzalez. What does he say? Aliba, Aliba! Is that what he says? I think that's what he said. Maybe not. It might not be what he said. I just wanted to say it. So, for that, you got to turn it down. You got to turn it down. But you don't want to go snail pace either because then it becomes very difficult. But it's a nice, smooth bead. You don't got like the herky-jerkiness of every time you squeeze it and everything. And once you get a little practice with it and get good with it, it is really amazing. Now, one thing that's not amazing is this right here. Unless they fixed it or changed it from the DeWalt one I have, the little nail puncher guy, it just swings all over the place, and it's always in the way. I ripped mine off, and not in a nice way, because it was pissing me off at the time that it came off. So mine does not exist anymore. It was too loose. It's like a little rivet that holds it there, and it just swings all over. There's supposed to be a little holder, a little indent right here, but it was too loose to stay in it. It would just flop around. So anyway, not good. Ace Hardware's $109, Acme Tools $89, so a really nice deal. If you're in Craftsman's lineup, cordless tools, for $49, I think it's a really good buy for you. There's always caulking to do. Always caulking to do. Gotta get the caulk out. Rope hoist pulley system, 1,000 pound capacity, block and tackle, 5-to-1 lifting power, 50-foot heavy duty pulley block by Extractor standard. Now, see, this is why I did this yesterday, so the price didn't update. I think it's $19.99. Then there's a 20% promo code through the 22nd. Now, I purchased this myself and posted a video on the second channel showing my little setup for it. Now, I am seeing here it says 50 feet. I think it's 50 total feet of rope, but the rope's going up and down this thing several times. Because I'll tell you what, I dropped it 14 feet in this ceiling, garage ceiling, 14 feet in the air. And, obviously that was at the top. The other end of the pulley was all the way at the floor. And I had no extra rope for pulling. It was pretty much at this pulley right here. So I had to add an additional cord to it to get back down to the ground, extra 14 feet. Anyways, the point is, I don't know what number they're using for 50 feet, because if this thing goes up and down this pulley 3 times, you're not getting, 50 feet as like usable length, I guess. Anyway, otherwise it worked really well. I attached a tub to it so I could get up to this loft area and easily take things up and down. And it worked perfectly for what I needed. Okay, and it's pretty cheap price, so I like it. LED boat lights, trailer lights, submersible LED trailer light kit with wiring harness. This one should have been towards the front. It's an amazing deal. Combined stop tail lights, amber side marker lights, third light bar by Veneo. It's 50% off. There's actually 2 different variations, but this one is much cheaper. I mean, pretty much this right here is worth it, and then you're getting everything else. So LED lights, you got your side markers, you got your license plate bracket, I think. Is that a license plate bracket, or is that for these? It sure looks like a license plate bracket, but I guess it could be for those. It could be for those. I don't know what it is. And then you got the third light bar here. It's $18.38, 50% promo code. They're only $9. That whole wiring harness, all them wires and the plug on the end, that's got to be worth $9. I bet if you went to Home Depot or something and looked this thing up, just that wiring harness is probably more than $9. So even if you don't have an exact, maybe you don't have a boat, you have some other use for it, I feel like at this price, it's pretty good. Now, when you click this link, it's going to automatically apply the promo code to your account. That's the first thing. It's supposed to go through the end of the month. I don't have any reason to believe that it actually will. The other one on the page is $39.99 or $38 or so. It's slightly different, but it is an LED trailer light. When I very first immediately posted this, they were both at the full price. And then I was going back, checking things, and I looked at it, I was like, holy shit, this other one's $18. So I don't know how intentional it was to have both, because the 18 off of 40 is about 50%. So anyway, that's what it is right now. I've seen a bunch of it in my affiliate account today, so I know the promo code's working and people are taking advantage. You should definitely do so. That's a really good deal there. Got the American flag trucker hat, breathable mesh snapback. Different colors available, by the way, if you don't like the black on black, but I kind of like that. I like that one. It starts out at $19.99, but we have a 30% promo code. It's going to take $6 off. It's going to be about $13.99 after the promo code. Bunch of different colors available. I just liked it. I like the snapbacks. Those are my hats. I like the breathable mesh. You got to breathe. Got to get some air, some flow. Okay, so I like that. Now, the other thing is you got to give this thing a nice curve. You might want to put a baseball in there or something. You know what you don't do? You don't flatten it out and then turn up the front like a damn duckbill. The hell kind of dumbass shit is that? Don't do that. As soon as you see that, you already know the kind of person you're talking to. Like, no. I don't got to take anything this person says seriously, because they are retarded. So you don't want to do that. Flat is bad enough with the little brim or the bill or whatever it's called. Flat's bad. Flat and then turned up at the end? And Gomer Pyle ass, get out of here. Alright guys, that is all the amazing deals for today. I am going to be working on another video, maybe probably tomorrow. Already got it all set up, ready to go. Lots of good discounts for you guys. Just gotta put it together. Gotta get the time. Need things to stop breaking. So I can spend some time on this. All right. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.